Alright, what's up everybody, and welcome back to another recap. Second day of this year, 2023. Second day of this week since Monday was off, and another green day. Let me go ahead and put up my results for you guys here. Pretty easy trading day, I think. Kind of like yesterday, 2 trades, 2 winners. Yesterday, 2 trades, 2 winners. A little bit more profit today, double the profits. So yesterday I had 2 Tesla trades, total $325, and today 2 Tesla trades again for a total of $604. So my first trade was this one, 450, and then I hit it again a little bit later. It looks like 20 minutes later with half the share size, and I was able to get another $154 profit. So coming into today, Tesla sold off pretty aggressively yesterday, and today I looked at the daily and I had two thoughts. One was either we double bottom at this level, 108. We double bottom here and we catch a little bit of a bounce, a little bit of relief, but not really take off, like kind of just hover, especially with news coming out later in the day. You know, I didn't expect a big move either direction. I just thought we might catch some chop at the beginning of the market opening range. So that was my scenario 1, and scenario 2 was yesterday we sold off pretty hard. So if this was just a giant, let me go ahead and move it to the side. If this was just a giant flag, a bear flag, so we sold off, giant bear flag. Let me just move my camera out the way so you guys can see it clear. So if this was just a giant pull bear flag and then this continues off, maybe we would have gotten some continuation today. But, you know, Tesla is pretty oversold. I didn't think it had another giant red day, so I was kind of leaning, hey, let's see if we can catch a bounce. And that's exactly what I did. So this morning, I ended up marking my levels. 108 was the level that I was watching, and then the top side kind of just pre-market 110.50. That one was just a cleared target just to have. Wasn't really daily, 4-hour, 1-hour time frame or anything like that. So once we ended up dropping this morning, we opened up red. We kind of pushed down again, strong pullback up, tried going again down past 108, that same level that we tried during pre-market. We just could not get under that 108 level. And so at that point I was like, you know, this actually might catch a lot of shorts a little bit by surprise. Everybody that's trying to go short is going to have to cover pretty fast right here. If we hold this 108, and we could get a move back up. At that point I was like, you know what, my first target is going to be pre-market highs, so 110.50. Could go past that and then end up running. And so ended up doing just that. Took along there 200 shares. I was very patient, didn't sell any until that target of 110.50, so 110.46, and I kept a small runner all the way up here to 111.24. I almost added back. I was really close to adding here again. Kind of was looking for this to pull back a little bit more, and then I would have added for the next leg up. Didn't get it, so it went without me here. And then, you know, Tesla, I don't know how often it respects pre-market or low market, but today that line ended up working perfectly accurate right there at 110.50. So it ended up pulling back down to that level, kind of bottomed out there a little bit, and then had the next leg up. I did want to chase this for the long side. If you guys go back and check my stream, I ended up wanting to buy here and get a long trade up, but I wasn't able to get it. I ended up missing it, and so I didn't want to chase this ring candle right here, and so I ended up just watching it, and I was like, if this closes high, I could take a trade through high of day. But if this starts looking weak and we try to push up again and just either double top, make a lower low, or just fake breakout, I'm gonna end up going short. And before I do that, actually, I forgot in my intro, obviously I stream live every single day for you guys, completely free right here on YouTube and on TradeCatcher.com. But another thing that I forgot to mention, and is why I'm doing it, I don't promote my course often, but if you guys are new beginners or just want to improve your trading, my course has all the basics from complete beginner to strategies, patterns, all that stuff. And you also get mentorship. So I know somebody sent me their trades earlier. I got to go back and review them. So you get mentorship. You get all the questions you can ask me at any time, and I'll do that for you. But the important thing is I'm offering a discount for the beginning of the year. I was kind of absent Christmas and New Year's. I was on vacation, so I didn't really pay attention to a bunch of my stuff. But I offered a new discount, and the code is going to be New Year, no space. So code New Year, and you should get $200 off. So that's probably, I think, the biggest discount I've ever offered. But it's going to close on Sunday. I believe it's midnight, so the 8th. So 4 days left. So if you guys are interested in that, the link is down below. You can see the whole course curriculum, all that stuff. Check it out. I know a lot of people are in it, and they've said nothing but good things about it. So you guys see me trade live every single day, so you know that I make money, and I'm not just out here scamming a course. You're gonna get what you pay for. Anyways, back to trading. So I ended up seeing that and decided to short it. So I shorted it here. Again, starter size. This was honestly kind of starter size. I just mentioned I didn't trade for 2 weeks, Christmas and New Year's. So I'm still kind of getting back into it, even though I haven't had a red trade yet. But you know, starter size didn't add. Would have added in a pullback here for the rip. Here, starter size probably would have added more. Didn't add more. Ended up ripping or dumping, which is what I wanted to. Now here, when I took this trade, my first target was at 110.50 again. Then I was looking for a dump to 110 and 108, which this actually, I mean, it surprised me that did exactly what I wanted it to do during stream when this thing was hovering right here. I even said we might get a retest of 110.50 and then that next leg back down to 108 again. But that one happened so fast, and I think news started coming out, so that's why it got pretty volatile here. So I didn't end up taking that retest there and then ended up dropping down. And at that point, I wasn't sure if 108 was going to hold again or not. And so I missed that. The other trade that I was calling out during the live stream was now again once we were in this range, get the break out of 110.50, get the break out of 108, whichever direction it is, you could buy that pullback. There was a pullback, there was a pullback. Could have taken those trades, missed them. I was done trading. $600 on the day to start the year, kind of building a little cushion to get started. Sorry, I don't know how I'm still sick and congested and stuff. It's been over a week. Aside from that, no short trades today. My trading account on Guardian is completely empty. No shorts there. Didn't see anything. The only one that was worth maybe shorting was BVOS. And if you guys look at my BVOS chart, I did this within the first 5 minutes, 10 minutes of market open. I knew that this thing was halting. I was like, you know what, this is JSPR from yesterday. I am not touching this. I drew a big old hex on it. Never had done this before, but I guess this definitely stopped me from trading it. Drew this giant X and decided to not trade this Halt Fest Mania of a stock. So I left it alone. No trades there. After that, kind of other stocks were iffy. Never got anything to show up to take a good trade. Looks like this one faded. AMV also tried popping up, halted up, and then faded. Somebody mentioned some of these other stocks here. Jern is one that was looking okay, but ended up not taking a trade on it. I was really fixated on this thing to get over 3.8, and then I would start looking at it, and you know, there was a reason why I picked 3.8 because it went up to 3.8 after that. So I said it here. It hit 3.8, never got over it, never took a trade, ended up dropping down, which I guess it could have shorted that 3.8 level, but oh well. Anyways, another good day. Trading another two just solid hits, 600 profits. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys leave a like on this button. That's all I ask for you guys. I stream completely free. I help you guys for free, all that stuff. All I ask is for some comments down below, some likes, and you guys tune in on the live stream. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys have a good rest of your day.